Okay, guys. Today we are going to discuss more about in our Microsoft Sentinel lab. Uh, Previous video we have seen in the log analytics workspace. We can gone through the our logs. Means what are all the logs it will be generating? You can able to view using the KQL query. KQL is a Gusto query language. So last video also we have seen. You can even I can show some queries now. Then later on we can move to the next topic in the Azure Sentinel, Microsoft Sentinel. So let me okay. In this yesterday we can see like how to verify the security event. In the KQL query, you can type it security event. If you type and if you run the query, the result it will be showing below. Let me just security 1 minute. Security event. Enter, run. Hmm. It should be a case sensitive and it should be a query sensitive, because see, when I previously when I run this command, it went to the second line, so it is showing some error. So now it is showing it will be the result will be shown in below. So likewise we can able to view using the Custo query language. We can view the our logs, because generally in Sentinel this is the purpose. We are we are ingesting logs to Sentinel, because in the Windows log or Linux log or firewall log, whatever the logs, it will be sending to the log analytics space to the Sentinel. So Sentinel, you guys must aware like what is Sentinel is a SIEM tool. Okay, so basically it is for the querying the logs. So this is in Microsoft Sentinel it is a KQL query. So let me I have queried the like a Windows security event log. Now basically I want a failed event log, because whoever the attacker or hacker, they might to trying to hack our environment. So they must need a some failure log event. So that's the reason you see in my previous video, first video, you could see the when I was logging into the my VM, I purposefully made it some failure attempt of the login server. But here there are so many attempts, because when we creating the network security group, we have enabled all the ports. So definitely the all over the globe, globally, a attacker may try to hack this VM. So for that, let me just try to run this command like security event where event ID event ID equal to 4625. 4625, it is generally for the failed event log. So when I run this query, you see here, these many attempts are happening globally. So many people are trying to attack this VM. See here, our username password is user R, but you can see here account administrator, they're trying to log in. So many things might be they might be trying. Administrator. Many attempts are, see here. VM1, they are just trying to log in VM1 and some test. Like these people are trying to hack this virtual machine. So like that, you have to make it a query. Okay, then I can do some more query extender. Like I can do the one more command, extend attacker IP, or I can put a IP address. Just I can run this query. If you below, you can see from which IP address they're trying to attack this VM. So these informations will be, we can get it here. Likewise, we can able to query using our Costa query language in the Microsoft Sentinel log. Okay. Now let me show you how to create a watch list in the Azure Sentinel. For that, let me go to the global search with Microsoft Sentinel. It is asking for to save this query. It is not required for us. Let me create OK. Okay, Microsoft Sentinel. I'm just going to the my workspace. Here, let me go to the content management. There will be these many options will be available in the Microsoft Sentinel. You can see these are the options in the Microsoft Sentinel. General, thread management, content management, and configuration. So now I want to create a watch list for this query. Okay, now it is asking go to the Defender portal, because nowadays Microsoft Sentinel, what Microsoft did now, so they are like migrating this Azure Sentinel portal into Defender portal. So that's the reason Microsoft Sentinel, it is asking to go to the Microsoft Defender portal. You can see here, now we have logged into portal.azure.com. Now I am clicking, now I'm going to click Defender portal, then you can see which portal it is going to migrate. Just you can watch. See now, it will be a security.microsoft.com. So in the security.microsoft.com, all the Sentinel, Microsoft XDR, all these informations which will go to the here. Already I'm having the some watch list here. I'm going to create a new one because this is already created from my side. I will go to just I can show you how to create a new one. With the same thing I can show you, or else let me okay, let it be here. Same thing. What I can do is this is a watch list. Which watch list? Let me going to create a new. I'll make it as a geo geo IP. I can make it the geo IP. Then I can put a description and I put a alias here. Okay, here watch list. What is the purpose we are going to create? Because in our uh, Sentinel VM, we have created any, because we have opened the port any. So easily hackers may get attacked to our VM. So now I want to create a watch list, and so how the attackers will be getting to try to hack my VM, and wherever like from where the which locations and all they are trying to hack my machine. So that's the reason I want to show you with using the some geographical location with some kind of a uh, like a database file. Okay. Now next source for this, we need to import some template, some schema to here. What I can do is I have some CSV file. Let me go into the upload that. This is called geo IP summarized file. Let me upload here, not this one. Let me go to desktop. Where is that? Yeah, Azure Lab, Sentinel Lab. Yeah, this is the file. Let me upload it. And I need this information's search key with network. Let me come down, review and create. You wait for some time. It will get created. See here, it is created. Yes. Let me refresh it. See here, one more. It is getting created. If I'm going to click this my watch list, you can see this information here. Geo IP, Microsoft provider, rows, nothing it is showing. Created time, nothing is showing. Source created by last updater, search key network. It is just see here status. It is showing is queued, means it is getting ready the logs to be ingested in the watch list. Say for example, if I'm going to check the previous one, let me uncheck here. Can see here, see status preview succeeded. It means autom this is a previous one watch list I have created. Automatically it's already it is uploaded. So now here you can see 55K watch list items are, so it will be added here. So now I'm going to select Geo IP. Now see, now I refreshed, can see uploading 5.47%. So the data is must be injected to the my watch list, so that once it is ready, then we can go to view in logs, then we can retrieve the logs. I can show you. Meantime, let me go for uh, past this video. Then I will come back to you after this. Once the uh, the 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 data got ingested to the my Sentinel workspace. Let me come back. Meanwhile, let me go for the pause the video now. Successfully, it is created the watch list. You can see the status now. It is succeeded. Now let me go to the view in logs. Here you can able to query your watch list query. Already I have it is default by default it is showing underscore get watch list geo IP. We run the query. You can see here. See from which city, from which country, from which latitude they are trying to access. my VM. Just you can expand, you can able to view when it got, they have queried search key, city name, country name, latitude, everything it will get so. Okay, if you want to search with anything kind of a IP address or something, then we can do some different query. Same thing I can do, like how I was able to query in the previous video in the our Azure Sentinel log space. Same way I can query here security event where my event ID to 4625. Yes. This is all, it's also like our my log space query only. Na? So anyway, this is for watch list. So it will also it will display my query KQL query. Here watch list is the main purpose of I want to make a query like which part, which location hackers are meeting, like getting hacked, my machine trying to hack. Those information I like to see here. Again, it will be getting the information. So I have I have made some query to retrieve the informations of the how the hackers are getting hacking my system and from which location, which geographical like which geographical location they're going to try to map, hack. So those things I can going to get it get this information using this query. I have written some query. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Security event where event ID equal to 4625. Attacker IP, which IP address they are going to come. Okay. And this is a query lookup watch list. This is for geo IP. Geo IP. Network and attacker IP, city name, country name, everything. So I just made a run query. It will get so here. Network it is showing wrong. Might be this should be a because our KQL query could be on case sensitive. So it should be on correct name and correct query. Otherwise it will get failed. See here. From these IPs, they are getting, they are trying to hack my VM. This many. See from this IP, there are 3,129 count they are trying to hack my machine. Or from this machine 990. Say for example, if I want to check from which location they're trying to uh, hack my machine, there will be some command will be available. Which is the command? Let me just type it here. I can do some evaluation. This is the command. I can I geo IP run query. Mm, mm. It is getting ready. Let's see. Mm, mm. If I want to make it a one more query tab, let me go to here. Look like the query is, yes, it is done. I don't know where is that query. Mm, Let me put that query now. Run query. Mm. See here, time generated, which from which ID they're going to try, which IP address, city name, country name, latitude, longitude, everything it will get show here. So this is how the we have created the new watch list, and using the query we are trying to pull this information with the geo informations. Okay, now let me going to the Sentinel workspace. Now it- now I can show you how to uh, create a new workbook for this Azure Sentinel workspace, and how I can create a my means like how the hackers will be hacking my machine, and from which location they're getting hacked. They're coming from to hack, and we can able to view from the graphical representation using the workbook. Okay, now let me go to the same in the Microsoft Sentinel threat management workbooks. Here it is getting ready. Okay, let me create a new, means add a new workbook. Let me just click it. By default, it will generate the graph, which already we have uh, the workbook. Sorry, in the event log from the watch list. So now I'm going to edit this one using the edit button, advanced editor. I have some script. So let me just modify in my workbook so that I can show you how it will be working. Okay, I have some template for taking the works like your workbook to modify the information. Let me just copy and paste it here. Okay, now let me just done editing, apply, done editing. Just see my graphs will be so see loading here. Super. See this graph map. From these many locations, they are trying to hack my machine in the Azure Sentinel workspace machine. So this is how we need to create a new workbook. I have created the new workbook for my geographical location map workbook. So in our Azure Sentinel home lab setup, we have created a new VM, and we have created the uh, uh, logic uh, like analytical logs workspace, and we have attached analytical workspace into our Sentinel workspace, and we have queried the we have made a query with using the KQL query with our logs, and I have created the new watch list using the watch list option, and created the new workbook to how to map these logs with the like visualization environment. So in the workbook section, so successfully we made the like how Sentinel will be working, like how the logs will be generating, and logs will be ingesting to the Sentinel workspace, and how it will be a query using KQL query, and how we will be dashboard using the workbook, how it will be visually representing the environment to the people. So thank you guys. This is called Microsoft Sentinel. Please do watch my channel. Let me go through and let me create some more videos for the Microsoft Sentinel. Then I will see you on the different videos. Please do share my videos. Please like and subscribe my videos. Please, thank you.